What's up, guys? How we doing? Today, a little fun, short, sweet, and hopefully some good pulls today. We got 8 Bowman Mojo packs, and let's get right into it. Numbered Yamamoto to 250. Taylor Trammell to 250. So yeah, 2 numbered cards, not terrible. Just got to the point where I could care less what is in those other packs. You don't get inserts, you don't get anything different, so it's like, what's the point? When you've opened up as many as I've opened up. And that's not a brag. It's spent a lot of money on these. I wouldn't say they've treated me bad, but I wouldn't say they've treated me good. Yikes, those were pretty bad. So we pull the MEGABox. It pretty much pays for, I think this was 4 total. So pretty much it pays for 4 of the mega boxes, give or take a little bit. Anything more, that's a bonus. Anything less, it's a flop. So far, looking like a flop. Rookie of the Year favorites, man, they never stop. All right, 3 left. Look at the same pack we just pulled. All right, 2 left. Got blue, Austin Beck. What is that, out of 150? Yeah, but not a first Bowman Chrome. Cool card, good number. Just you want the first Bowman Chrome. So it's a triple whammy. First Bowman Chrome, Mojo, auto or something. And let's see if Dominguez could save us. No. Yikes. Terrible pull. I mean, we got 3 numbered cards, but not even a first Bowman Chrome out of these Mojos numbered. So yeah. Pretty shitty opening. Thanks for watching, guys.